First of all, I wanted to go ahead and thank you guys. I am at 1,600 subscribers. Like, who would have known? Who would have known? I'm over here talking about some, yeah, give me to 500. Like, I underestimated y'all because, baby, I am triple that. What? This is Future Me. Right now, I am in Oakland, California. And I'm editing my second vlog. And I wanted to do an intro and outro because, obviously, new YouTuber here. I forgot to do that. But welcome to my new vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how y'all like the second vlog in the comments. Let me know. And yeah, it's about to be lit. We have birthday celebration. We have 2 work days. We have a beach day. So this vlog is a little shorter this time, but it's, you know, it's fun. It's full of activities. Yes. So today I'm about to go to Sugar Taco and go work on this vlog, my first vlog, which, I mean, by the time you see this, it's already up. So you guys tell me what you think. But you can definitely tell, like, I am not new to this. Not new. I'm not. Wait, you can definitely tell I am new to this. But today I'm about to go, hopefully, finish this vlog, my birthday vlog. I'm excited. I'm about to just get out the house because I've been in the house for the last few days. Saturday night, actually, after Everyday People, my knee was on fire. Like, I'm not sure what happened. I think it happened like when I was, what was that? The Cup Sheet event. When I was there, like, I was kind of like, I don't know. Because after that whole weekend, honestly, that whole weekend, my knee was just jacked. And I'm like, what? Like, why would you do that? It's my birthday. Like, what's going on? And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna fight through it. And I think that's where I messed up, is me trying to fight through the pain and, like, still trying to be cute, still trying to do this, still trying to do that. Because at the end of the weekend, no, that Saturday, my leg, my whole knee, I couldn't move it. Like, oh my, y'all, it was so bad. I barely got out the bed. So now that I am better and drugged up on ibuprofen, because, okay, so my mom told me that when you're taking, like, pain medication, you gotta take it even if you don't feel the pain anymore or something like that. I just was like, okay, like, it's okay, it's manageable. So let me stop taking the ibuprofen. My mom was like, no, like, you should have kept taking it because now your body's still, I don't know. You know, honestly, I don't really know why she said that. But, you know, you don't really know why your mama say it. It's half the stuff she said. You just listen to it because, you know, she has more wisdom than you, right? But, yeah, so Jason got this package outside, and I definitely do not want to pick it up. I'm like, do I wait for him to, like, come pick it up? No, let me not. I'm gonna have to pick it up. But, yeah, so I'm about to pack up my bag. Here, actually, so you guys can see. So, I am going to be wearing this orange Telfar bag, period, poo-poo. Actually, let me take this tag off. It's brand new. Oh, not the Telfeezy. Okay, so I'm wearing this orange Telfar bag. What are you doing? Oh. My laptop, which I'm supposed to be getting a, oh my god, there's more than one package. Lord Jesus, where my phone at? Let me call this man. I'm still limping, y'all, but I'm gonna work through it. I'm gonna get through it, because we trying to go to the beach this weekend, and I'm not missing out on that. Actually, while I'm here, let's do an outfit check. These jeans, I think I got these from Target. And then this top is from Pretty Little Thing. And I'm honestly, y'all, because my knee is hurting, I really might just wear my Nike slides. Like, who gonna check me? Whew. I have a package, but I don't know what the package is. It's definitely not what I was looking for from Amazon. Jeans. Who's this from? Oh, Fashion the Figure. How cute. Okay. Is it a set? Like, So ever since I've been doing that video with fashion and figure, they've just been sending me stuff. Okay, jeans. I mean denim shorts. Okay. They're a little long. I might have to hoochie them up, but they cute. What else is this? It has to be, yeah, it's different ones. Ooh. Ooh, these are cute. Look at the little side detail. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, I didn't see that. These finna be cute. I should have wore these today. Nah. These is cute. Ooh, I can't wait to wear these actually. I'm like thinking of something I can wear with that. Now y'all gotta send me a shirt to wear with it. Okay. So I need to put this back in the room. Or in the room. I'm gonna put my laptop in here. My planner, because I'm gonna work on my goals and stuff like that. I still haven't done it. It's been so crazy, so hectic. A notepad just to write down some notes or jot down a few things. Like, what's going on, Topher? And then it's really a bag transfer. 3 different pens because why not? And you can't forget hand sanitizer. Also, this is my pouch. I know, right? It matches. It matches. It's so cute. But this is my pouch, like my flash drives, my external drives, and all of that stuff. That way it won't be like in cords. That way it won't like be all chaotic in my bag and my purse. So it's just like a pouch to put everything in. That's what's in my bag. Obviously, I'm gonna add my wallet, my keys, and all of that good stuff, like gushy stuff. But I'm about to walk out the door. Actually, I got to let the dogs out, let them pee, run around for a little bit, and then I'm gonna head out. So we don't have a car mount yet, so there's no like talking in the car, but it's coming soon. And I'm gonna see you at Sugar Taco.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana.
Okay, so I parked my car with valet. Oh, you can't see me. I parked my car with valet. I am about to go straight. Oh, I don't like the glasses are making my hair look on the side. But I'm about to go in to Sugar Taco. I'm like literally limping on the way in because my knee is killing me. But it's okay, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it.
Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna.
Can I have the Gordo Nachos asada? Can I have like extra sour cream? Yeah. I always get like a whole bunch of sour cream. Oh, I forgot my cup. Yeah. And then can I have a large watermelon fresca?
Yeah.
How's your day going today? Pretty good. We're here.
That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana.
Oh, it's like terrible lighting. Thank you so much.
Say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride the fire.
are you, my love? Huh? He said, hi, Obi. Obi Obs. Obi. Now you know. I swear he act like he too famous to be on the camera. Every time I have the camera out, look, he do this. Oh, but you want me to pet you, huh? You want me to pet? Obi, what is he doing, bro?
Showing off.
You're crazy, boy.
Okay, so you guys, I totally forgot to record the after of these oxtails, but baby, they were so good. This is just me seasoning them. I threw in a little like tomato, onion, butter, just to like give it a little bit more flavor while it's cooking. And then afterwards, I'm gonna throw in a clip of Jason eating them because it's literally the only thing I have of like the aftermath of these oxtails. They were gone.
Are you getting in on the action too?
Yeah, I have to show the people where they went.
In my belly. You gotta get that claw grip around that round part of the bone and then just go in. Can't be neat about it.
Those are the bones.
Yep.
Ooh, I look crazy. I put way too much blush on. Baby, you look good. I want to show you all. Ooh, 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 ooh.
It's my sexy superhero pose. Ursha, baby.
Not Usher. I was about to say, I hope not.
Oh my God.
Tanika, are you okay?
No. And I'm glad you guys are here to vouch for me that this shit is crazy.
So, Chrissy is upset because it took us forever to get to the parking lot. We still can't even get to the parking lot.
And we're still not there. I don't know why there's a line of people behind me.
Oh,
Why is there a line of people behind me?
Oh,
You can't even go here. I'm like pulled over and I have on my hazards. Oh my God.
I'm crying. This is hilarious.
Whole line of people. Why are all these people? We were just saying the same thing. I was like, why is there a line of people behind me?
He said to go up this ramp, and it's gonna take us back to Ocean, but it's a very, very small street that's gonna take us down to this big parking lot.
Okay, so I'm gonna drive slow. It's the fact that there's a shit ton of people behind
Why
me.
are people?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 G's to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump. My humps, they got you.
What's done is done. I don't want nothing else to do with it. Let me tell you a secret. Why you in Vegas? All up on Valentine's Day. Why am I so she didn't? Oh yes I did. Go back. Sit. Mind you. Say what's up, mama.
What's up, mama?
I'm crying. I am crying. On another episode of Chrissy trying to kill me in a car.
I'm about to play with you.
On another episode.
Why y'all keep driving with me then?
Because, I mean, you be offering. I'm gonna pull up. Okay.
Why do we get the same thing?
Oh, beautiful, right here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can I actually get you on video, like putting it down? Can I get you on video, like putting it down?
Give me a few minutes.
Oh no, it's okay. Never mind. It's already here then. Girl. Is it good? Chrissy.
You have no idea what you're doing.
Okay. So you guys, we finally made it to Zinc. Well, we've been here for a minute. I finally relaxed because I had on this outfit that I was doing the most. No, completely doing the most. I had on this outfit I thought would be really cute. Honestly, I might still do it. But those pants were like, it felt like something was biting me on my butt.
Oh, really?
They were pinching me, yeah. So I just was like, you know what? I'm about to take them off. I just put on something comfy. And first of all, I want to show them your food. I got the burrito bowl.
Oh, you did? You can tell me if it's good.
Yeah.
I want to get some artichoke too.
Sliders look really good.
But I feel like we'll be here for a minute. So if I want something else, you know?
Yeah.
While it's happy hour?
Yeah, hey. Also, I got the burrito bowl, and I'm hoping it's gonna be really good because you know I love burritos.
Those ones here are good.
But we gonna eat. We about to eat right now, and then we're going to do some work. Put out some content for y'all. I'm like, why somebody comment that? Ooh, perfect.
Right?
Perfect. Why somebody commented on my live and was like, you and Chrissy should come to Atlanta. I'm like, oh, not us being a dynamic duo. Like, not the same.
Live over here.
We should go live. Ooh,
Not us being.
it's a cute angle,
That's good.
right? Go.
The body is so good.
Right. Okay, so guys, I'm about to head to my cousin's house. We are celebrating her 22nd birthday. Yeah, and literally packing up all my bags just to stay one night. Jason, you excited for me to leave? Oh, it's a party. Oh, it's lit. Look at this. I could be my own bottle girl. Hey. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell Tay, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna walk in like this. I'm gonna be your bottle girl. Woo! This is cute though, huh? Okay, not the ADHD kicking in. Well, I'm about to go because by the time I get to San Diego, it's gonna be 8:30. So I need to get there like now. I'm about to finish packing up all my stuff, get in the car, and I'll see you in San Diego.
You know what I'm saying?
I wish I had a car mount because I really be going crazy right now.
Put together the walls.
But I gotta hold it.
On that air. Put that on something. I put that on mamas. Put that on something. I put that on mamas. I put that on Grandcitas. You run up on me and get your man beat up. Bush ride. I is down with this.
Hey, but you know it's town biz.
I got the north, got the east, got the west with me. So I suggest you put that on something. I put that on mamas. Put that on something. I put that on mamas. See you get your man beat up.
We snapping it, ain't never having it. You better run.
All right, that's it.
Am I doing enough? Feel like I'm wasting time. So patient, sick of waiting.
Okay, so I wanted to talk to y'all for a second. I'm on my way to San Diego, as I said before. And I have 40 miles, so I'm like, why not? And then also my music was not booming. Like, usually whenever I take long drives like this, I put my music on shuffle. And for some remote reason, they're playing all the like songs I don't want to listen to. But yesterday, I want to tell you guys, yesterday I launched the first video, my first YouTube video. And when I tell you, it was nothing but love. And I was so nervous. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know, like, you know, how like engaged my followers are, you know, and like numbers are going up. I think from the last time I checked, I was at like 270 subscribers. And in the end of my last video, I say like when I get to 500 subscribers, like I got a giveaway one. Did I know like it was gonna go that fast? No, honestly, I thought I would still be at like 100 and something. But thank God, like what? I have such supportive friends. Like, you know, they checked out my video, they sent me feedback, tell me congratulations. Like, my dad calls me and he's like, where's Jason? And I'm like, okay, he's in the kitchen. Like, you know, he's like, all right, put me on speakerphone. Okay, he's like, y'all was so good. And I was just like, oh, like it just made me feel good that y'all enjoyed it, you know what I'm saying? And that just motivates me to like keep going and like know, like, you know, y'all gonna be looking for me, y'all gonna be looking for some more stuff. I give myself a pat on the back verbally because my little short arm can't go behind me. Ooh, that is nice. But I'm so excited for this new journey. Y'all, this drive was no joke. Like, I have 40 more miles on this freeway, but every time I come to San Diego, they take me a different route every time. Like, for what? I just need to go see my cousin. That's it. That's all. Why y'all bothering me? Like, if we can't go to Bella Noche's, where can we go?
We heard gunshots.
It's upsetting me and my homegirl because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to Bella Noche's, what the hell could you go?
But tonight should be fun. I'm so excited to celebrate my cousin's birthday with her. She deserves everything in this world. She's such a loving person. Me and Shantae, we're both Cancers, right? So she's on the cusp, Cancer and Leo. And when I tell you, aw, thank you. I just got another comment from actually one of my friends. I like her. Yeah, Shantae, me and Shantae has been through it all. Like, it's like we're so similar to a way where it's a little crazy. Like, it's a little like, girl, you got a microphone around me? Like, did you like hack my phone? Like, what's going on? Like, literally to the point where we will show up at the same event, or she would show up at my house, I'll show up at her house, same hairstyle, or just bought the same thing, or just dealing with the same situation, literally same situation. But I'm excited. Last year I didn't get to celebrate her birthday with her last year, but I think I did come down either a week before or a week after or something like that, and we went out with her friends, her old friends. But I'll definitely check in with you guys as soon as I get to Shantae's place. Okay, so I just got to her apartment building and I'm about to walk in. I'm out of breath. Okay. Can you hear my pants?
Okay.
Give us the whole fit.
Shoes.
Okay. Shoes.
Fashion Nova.
Okay.
Bodysuit. Fashion.
Oh, wait, you gotta come closer though.
Fashion Nova. Hair. Me.
Oh, natural. She's natural. Nails. Oh,
Cute nails.
oh. Don't care how.
22. And don't give a fuck.
Oh, 22 and 22.
22.
22 and 22. She's 22.
22 on the 22nd.
Hey. Look, I told him I was gonna be your bottle girl. Which I need. This is my cousin's best friend, Faye.
Hello.
Tell them what you're about to do.
Sorry. I'm awkward.
Tell them what you're about to do.
Oh, so me and her boyfriend are surprising her tonight. He's supposed to come through tomorrow, but there's gonna be lots of tears.
I also got, hold on, you got it? You want me to hold it?
Wait.
What are friends for? Oh, hey.
Oh, let me put this in.
No, you good. Go ahead. Go ahead. Ooh.
Say cheese.
Ooh. Ooh.
That's a cute pic.
Face?
Okay, okay, while we wait, let me show y'all my outfit. So, this is from Good American. And then these are from Pretty Little Thing. And then I just have on like some sandals. Hendrix.
Where's she at?
She in the bathroom.
Get her real quick.
You made it. Oh, I stink.
Oh, it's so cute.
Welcome, Cameron.
Hi, beautiful. Did you get surprised?
Yeah.
Aww.
I'm Faye. Nice to meet you.
Let me get the roses. Hold on.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass told me she came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she leaving it for low. She my track queen, let her hit the bando. We be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set it go, talking about your Lambos. 56 miles for my and that's what I love her, how she with the Lambos. It's the strip club, we be letting the bands go. Everybody hate on me, just call the fans though. In love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And like it hard with my baby. I just love the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And like it rock with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah.
We really from the city, for real, for real.
No, you're not drunk.
We know the truth. Rest in peace, Draco. Long live Draco.
Period.
For real, for real.
Let them know. Cause where are you from?
LA, dead homie. LA. Not LA County.
Oh, period.
LA.
But let them know I'm really from Oakland. Like I'm really from Oakland.
She really from Oakland.
I'm really
dead
from
homie.
Oakland.
Y'all got a problem. If y'all think that she not from Oakland, you gotta see me then.
Oh, see my cousin.
Yeah.
Brian.
I'm back to fixing my beard.
And I'm back to fixing my hair because we don't go out looking all nasty.
Mostly because from the Bay to LA to San Diego, we make that shit happen. Don't give a fuck about distance at all.
Bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, do run up with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. Watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 minutes on the plane, going straight to the middle.
I wanted to Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed everything. Honestly, y'all, I'm letting you know now. This third vlog, camping back home, my back home vlog, it's about to be lit. It's about to be lit. Y'all, do not miss it. Expect it by next week. Sometime next week. I should be back in LA on Tuesday. So, yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait to share with you all everything. I also have the giveaway. I told you guys I was going to do a giveaway. So, I'm just going to give away like $30, $40 maybe. I'm literally just scrolling. I'm looking at y'all and I'm just going to randomly pick from my comments from my last picture. That's so crazy. It's literally my friend Alette. Love this. YouTube is meant for you, baby. Can't wait to see your channel glow. I randomly selected it. Y'all saw me scrolling and stuff. Just so happened to be my friend. I'm gonna send you your money, right? Or I'm about to add her. What's your Cash App? Who you want the give away? Bam. So I'm gonna go ahead and send her money once we done. Thank you for watching me and I'll see you next time.